Okay guys, this is a 2016 Lexus NX 200T. All-wheel drive, sends you from Real Deal Auto. Rebuilt title, front end damage. Everything's been fixed up, passed inspection. No airbags deployed. Start it up here for you. So 96, no, it's got 51, sorry, that's 51,754 on the miles. All your cruise control. Heated, cooled seats. Does have your navigation, backup camera, all your drive modes, auto hold. All your different options. There's your cruise. Does have a locking differential, heated steering wheel. Memory seats, power windows, locks and mirrors. There is a blind spot monitor in this mirror, if you can see. Power lift gate, all weather floor mats. See that sunroof? Look underneath there. Good tires, no rust. Dash. Smart key. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.